Here at GPRS Enterprises, we take great pride in providing the very best underground utility locating services in order to keep your next project running smoothly. Damaging utilities when digging can cause dangerous safety issues, project delays, and enormous unforeseen costs. We consider every single project to be our most important and aim to exceed expectations on every mobilization. Our extensive training and mentorship programs prepare each technician on our team to be knowledgeable on-site consultants, as well as underground experts in locating anything from typical utilities to underground storage tanks, voids, and unmarked graves. Our locating process begins with a thorough site assessment where we identify any obvious safety issues and then look for exposed risers, conduits, and points of connection before we even start with scanning and electromagnetic locating. Any site plans of existing documented utilities are also taken into consideration, as well as any information gathered from the use of a public one-call service. These first steps are crucial as visual and documented evidence is key in deciding which of our technologies will be used in order to get the job done. We will then begin by clamping onto these points of connection with the radio detection transmitter, which induces a tone with a specific frequency onto any ductile pipe or conduit. The radio detection receiver can then be set to match the induced frequency, and sweeps of the area will reveal the precise location of the utility in question. The different frequencies used during this process help to separate the tone on the targeted utility from any signals being produced by other underground lines that may be in the area. Once all points of connection have been investigated, a passive radio detection survey can then take place in both power and radio modes. For a number of reasons, many utilities emit an electromagnetic field, including gas and water lines, and these fields can be detected with a passive survey. This radio detection process is extremely accurate and can be completed rapidly, as large areas can be covered in relatively little time. In addition to EM locating, GPRS technicians all carry ground-penetrating radar technology, which is used to visually locate any remaining utilities in the area. This process is key in finding storm drains, sewer lines, and any target that does not emit an electromagnetic field. GPR is run in a grid pattern throughout the area, and a cutaway view of the ground below is interpreted in real time. The underground antenna is rated at 400 MHz and can typically achieve depth levels anywhere from 4 feet to 8 feet, depending on the soil surveyed. Accurate depths and utility locations with this technology are within 6 inches or less from center, providing a great deal of information on what lies below before you dig, pothole, or trench. In addition to locating utilities, GPR can also be used to find large obstructions, large boulders, tanks, and areas of disturbed soil where former excavations may have taken place. The real-time surveying we provide on every project with GPR technology, along with our precise and methodical approach to each project, is what raises GPRS utility locating services above the competition.